Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up reordering rules for your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go there and you're going to be greeted by the home page right here, from where the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and sign up for one in the upper right corner and log in, and this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with accessing the configuration tab of our website, site settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look how to get started setting up reordering rules. So here on the official documentation page of odoo.com, we have an article on configuring reordering rules. So how is this done? Well, starting from the inventory, you're going to go into manufacturing. So as you can see right here at the top of the screen, you have configuration and settings, and you're going to go and be able to navigate to your products tab right here to create a new product. So basically guys, you can follow the steps right here on how to add a reordering rule. Basically, you are going to see the visible reordering rules. After properly configuring a product, a reordering rule can be added to it by selecting this button right here that's going to be at the top of the products form. From there, you can click create and click on the create reordering rules dashboard, and this is going to enable you to fill out all the info, settings, save it, and this is how to successfully add a reordering rule to your website. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.